So I just finished with the air compressor. For now, I'm going to have to get the panels off, but the screws are kind of tiny and rusted in place. So I'm going to need to, oh, there's a few missing. I'm going to need to do something to be able to get them off, to be able to really clean inside. But the air compressor did a pretty good job. Still no movement on a few of these keys, but the tabulator keys work now, so that's kind of cool. And I also can now see that up above here, I'm going to wipe this down, but you can kind of see it says something about New York and USA, so that's cool. See those numbers a little bit better. These keys are really sad. I'm not sure what I'm going to be able to do with them conditioning wise. Some of them will go down and don't come back up again, which indicates some spring issues. I'm a little concerned because the spacebar still doesn't want to do anything. It's stuck in the up position, so hopefully there's just junk jammed in there that I couldn't see. What else? The carriage now moves more freely than it did. So there's a lot of junk. There was acorns and tons of nesting material stuck in there. I got the bell to ring just the one time, and now it doesn't want to do it again. But that hopefully means that I just have to move some things around and it'll get the bell to work again. And it sounded nice, so that's kind of exciting. Yeah, so like I said, there was a ton. That's a little bit of the nesting material. It was really gross. It smelled great. That was sarcasm. Some of the paint flew off with the air compressor, but at this point I know I'm going to have to repaint. But it does look a lot better. So that's good. Making progress with it. Ooh, crunching on acorns under my feet. So happy overall. I just wish the spacebar bugs me because it was working when I got it, and now it's not. And I'm not sure if when I had set it down on the table on those blocks, it slipped on me. So I'm kind of worried that I did something to it, but it doesn't look bent. So, like I said, hopefully it's just a matter of figuring out where it's getting hung up and fixing it. Next up, I'm going to wipe down the paint, clean off the slugs, and then eventually get the panels off and probably blow it out some more, because I'll bet there's still some acorns and stuff in there that I can just barely see that are wedged that I can't get to. Oh, the lighting's bad so you can't see it, but there's one like stuck in the workings right in here inside. Alright, so that was fun. Scout's getting impatient, so that'll be it for now.